Hello, this is Beer Ice. So we're on a tornado drill, so we're gonna take the EAS with us. Okay, so here's the
Ohio
weather
Valley
video.
region.
Well, it's
High
staying.
pressure will settle south into the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley today. The high will move east of the region tonight and Thursday. A warm front is expected to push northeast through the region Thursday night, which may bring a few showers. After below normal temperatures today and tonight, a warming trend is expected into the upcoming weekend. The next weather system will likely move through the region this weekend, bringing increased chances of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday and Sunday. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. Today, mostly sunny. Much colder with highs in the upper 30s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Not as cold with highs around 50. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers. Not as cold with lows in the lower 40s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And Friday, mostly cloudy. Not as cold with highs in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Unseasonably warm with lows in the lower 50s. Saturday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday night, showers likely. Unseasonably warm.
Yeah. I knew it. Yes. Tornado drill.
This is a test. Repeat. This is a test tornado warning. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. This test warning is part of the annual Ohio tornado drill. People can take this time to initiate their preparedness plans. This is a test to help you prepare for severe weather. Think about where you would go and what you would do in the event of an actual tornado. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning for the 2017 Ohio tornado drill. We now resume our normal programming. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great. High pressure will settle south
and the sirens are going off.
Ohio Valley today. The high will move east of the region tonight and Thursday. A warm front is expected.
And it's on the radio too.
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System in conjunction with Severe Weather Awareness Week in Ohio and originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
Let's see who else.
Time to work a little harder. World Joe Valentine. So it's
Mostly cloudy. Not as cold with highs in the mid-60s. Southwest.
No, Indiana. 411.com. That's Big Agenda 411.com. President Trump is cleaning up Washington, but the media and Barack Obama.
So yeah, and listen to the sirens. As you can hear, the sirens are going off. So, yep. Well, that'll be it. See ya. Oh. That's coming towards us. The siren's head rotating to us. See ya.